whether something's a repair or renewal, and in terms of the tax relief that you get, that's a common question and something that many, obviously, private landlords come across. If something is a repair, you're merely replacing a broken lock with a replacement lock. That's clearly a repair, and you can set the cost of that against your rental income. The issue is where you improve something. So if you had one of the bathrooms and it had a bath and a sink and a toilet, and you change that to include it having, say, a separate shower cubicle, that would be a change. You've improved what you had before, and the cost of that would not be allowable for tax purposes, so you couldn't set it against your rental income. Those basic concepts apply irrespective of the level of expenditure. The roof of the property might need completely replacing because it's fallen into disrepair. That would still be a repair. However, if you changed the pitch of the roof or added a dormer window into that roof, that would be an improvement, and the whole cost of that would not be allowable for tax purposes.